Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you um, a bed power source for a Lenovo laptop. So here's the power button. I want to focus onto the power button. Okay, so it's very hard to see. I think if you um, focus on the power button, I hope you will understand. The power button cap is kind of stuck inside. It's not clicking, it's not working, and it's very hard. Even it's not the spring is not working too. And I try 1 second. Okay, and I try to press and hold the power button to turn on, but it's not working at all. And I believe the user he tries something to um, push it, but it's not work at all. So in this video we are going to uh, disassemble the laptop, open the body and see how bad inside the power button. Okay, and let's get started. So I'm looking for the right screw head. I think this one should be right one, looks like. I want to see inside. It is the power button is completely broken, or it's just stuck inside the lock, or what happening. And in this video we are not gonna fix the problem. In this video we are going to see, we are going to diagnose the problem. Of course, if it is just a simple thing, just stuck the spring or just stuck the power button, if it is super simple, of course we are going to fix the problem right away. If we see something big issue, the major issue, if need to replace any parts, of course we have to update the ticket. Here is the ticket explanation. So we have to update the ticket, and then we have to call to the customer about the diagnostic report, and we need approval from customer if need to replace any parts. Okay, I'm going to use this tool for remove the back part. See, it's very easy. This design, Lenovo did very easy installation and removal process. See, it's super simple for this model, but some of the model very complicated to remove the back part. You can see here a little bit dent, so we have to make sure. I want to see inside the rubber, is there any screw or not, because sometimes some company, they use the screw inside the plastic gap. looks like they didn't use any screw for this because they didn't use any glue or anything. If they use any screw inside that, it should be they should be used that glue. So I think there is just a lock. I have to remove it very carefully. Alright, I got it here. Right, it's coming. It's just brand new, that's why it still is very tight. So we have to do it carefully. Otherwise, if the plastic is locked, it's gonna break. There you go. So we can see here the laptop is turning on. I saw the processor fan was spinning. So let's see if it is power on or not, and why is turning on automatically, because I saw the processor fan was spinning. Okay, anyway, I'm going to remove the battery connector first, that way all the component is safe. Alright, I removed the battery connector, and I want to see, here is our power button cap, right? I'm sorry, I want to focus on that. So here is our power button. So for check the power button, we have to remove the complete motherboard, but before that, when I use this plastic tool, looks like it's released the plastic cap. Oh, now it's clicking. Wow, great. See, it's now working. See? Very super simple to fix, right? Okay, so we have to test the power button. Alright, I'm just going to plug the battery connection. And press the power. I'm going to press the power, and we have to focus on the CPU and GPU pin. Okay, so if it is work, the power button is work, that means CPU fan and GPU fan should start spinning. At least CPU fan should start. Okay, so I'm going to press 3, 2, 1. I can see here LED flashlight is turning on, and CPU fan is still not spinning. It's already boot up. So I believe the CPU fan is selected automatic from the BIOS settings. Now it's started. See? Alright, so if those fan is selected from BIOS auto, so only that time will start spinning when the motherboard and CPU is getting hot. Okay, and I'm going to shut it down. And I'm going to press the power again, and let's see how quick is booting. Great. Problem fixed. Right? Alright guys, that was the problem actually. The no power, because of the power button doesn't working. I mean, it was not a response, it was not clicking. So now it's working fine, the power. So the problem is fixed in the diagnostic process. That's good. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have any question, or if you have any if your computer having any issues, just call us. If you don't know how to diagnose, bring to us. Of course, we are here for helping you. And thank you so much again. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and share with your friends, families, and in your social media. That way people will know we are here to fixing the computer and mobile devices. Thank you so much again. Bye. You have a wonderful day. Bye.